May mga bobomba dun sa ano, sa
Okay, guys. Spread out. Tank on number 5 and number 6 and spread out.
Wag yan.
Don't forget to record the video also. Yeah, spread out. Yeah, tank. If you see few target or the DPS target high ground,
Saan
just
tayo?
pull them
Okay.
down.
Yan lang sa baba. Doon ka sa ano?
Use dagger.
4.
Doon ka sa Mark 9, sa Mark 9 ka, pre.
Main ball and
Versova.
number 5 and number 6. Main ball and number 5 and number 6.
Ay,
Yeah.
tama.
Like this is okay. Don't climb up.
Dito ako bubomba sa ano.
Prepare. Oh,
Hindi ko lang sure kung ba't ako. Pero ba't yun?
prepare. Yeah, on A2 there is
Yun lang.
there. Be careful.
Ay, salamat,
Yeah,
ma'am.
A1 and A2.
Complete
We
40
must
for the
check
first
fire.
time.
Nice.
Okay.
Guardian de Fremedy agad ah.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Putas.
Wait.
Suicide yun.
Wait.
Ano yun?
Ano yun? Merong...
Bro, don't. Number 3, don't, guys, don't.
May mga DPS dun sa ano?
Don't.
Sa mga...
Ba't kayo nandun?
Don't. It's okay. Let them fly in. We play like a pussy
Dito
at
na
this
si
time.
Jusso.
Sorry about that. Yeah. They're flying in. Wait for the big skill. Wait. Try to sustain first. Okay? Sustain in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. DPS stand number 5. Don't. Okay. Good. And big skill.
Focus lang.
Bomb them.
Focus
And
lang kayo,
move
kay Luna Shell,
DPS from the high
tsaka
ground.
Alpha Master.
DPS from the high ground. Good
Nice.
job. Good. Hit good.
Sa
Also
Mark 9 ka
good.
lang, Kursova.
Play with your party
Mark
and
9.
play with your
Mark
party. Play with your
Mark
party.
9 ka lang, Kursova. Huwag ka nang bababa
Play with
dyan.
your
Kasi
party.
dyan ka
Try to
lang.
protect your friend. Play with your party. Try to
Hindi
protect
ako
your
ba't
friend.
kanina?
Kill
Oo.
Egbo first. Kill melee first.
Dito.
Kill Egbo first. Kill melee first. Good shit. Good fucking shit. And hang. Go number 3 get. Go number 3. Try to catch them. Melee go number 3. Try to catch them.
Number 3.
And you can also push them down. Push them down. You can also push them down. Good shit. Oh, such a beautiful fight. One on the very high.
Ay, putik ka.
Put them.
Ano
You can put them or kill them. Good shit. Hey,
Panalo tayo.
my strategy.
Oh,
Trust
naubos
me.
ako.
Very beautiful. Not gonna lie. Tank, you are doing so good. You push like no fear.
Push lang. Yan, push lang.
Hey,
Spec ka sa strategic rush.
Like this again.
Diyan ka lang, Kursova, sa ano, sa...
Tank, I need some
Mark
tank
9,
on number
Mark
3.
9.
I need some tank on number 3. Fake cam. Fake cam.
Ayun, nagbag.
Some tank on number 3.
Lagi nagbabag yung fly ka.
Sa Mark 9 ka lang, Kursova. Diyan ka lang.
Sige.
Shoot Song Jinwoo. If I saw you dead, it's not okay. Don't die.
Nahulog lang ako. Yuli, guys.
I need one person scout me on number 8. I'm not sure they where they coming.
Oh, talaga.
So, ibad na patay ako dun sa first engage. Pero natala natin crack ako. Ayos na. Easy to.
Pololo, Akalas, you see me or not?
Yes. Ano?
I think you don't see. If you see, you just come.
Okay.
Yeah, number 9 is also a free hit. Yeah, we will try to
Saan naman yun?
try to
Di
number
na
5.
bumalik.
That's what we are going to do.
Hindi. Natagalan sila nagre-regroup sila. Ayan sila.
Diyan sa
one
Nasa
trick,
two.
one trick.
Alin sa may crate.
You see flying, you just fraud them, so they fall down and get some damage.
Diyan lang kayo sa Mark 9 lang kasi mahirap akitin diyan sa Mark 9 eh.
Chris,
Warzone
behind
ba
you.
yan dyan?
Okay lang, wala. May ano. Hindi dito Warzone. Hindi.
Yeah.
On number 3, prepare to jump down. Okay, if a lot jump to us.
You're coming on top, above us.
You see right.
Papunta silang
Number
Mark 9.
Prepare to help your fan on the door. we jump down now. We jump down.
Jump.
We push them and jump down. Number 3, we push them and jump
Tulak
down.
lang, tulak lang,
jump
tulak
down,
lang,
jump
tulak,
down.
tulak,
Don't play here. Don't play here. Jump down. 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 Don't play on number 3 again. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. You see?
Pinahilo.
Taas, taas, taas,
Don't
taas.
play. Okay.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Try,
sige lang.
try. Same plan. Same plan. Same plan. If they jump deep, you just sustain first. Okay?
Stay lang, mark 9 lang kayo, mark 9. Mark 9 lang kayo. Dami nila sa number 3. Yeah.
Tank, if you can pull, just pull them, huh?
We are being
hila,
pick
hila
off.
lang. Diyan lang sila
A1.
mag-ano, diyan sila mag-ano. Pangit ang posisyon ko doon sa number 3.
Mosi, fuck,
Mark 9 lang, mark 9 lang kayo, mark 9 lang kayo para ano.
May
Tulungan mo
pababa.
sila.
they're
Incoming.
jumping in. See, you see. Prepare to sustain. In 5,
Mark 9 lang kayo, mark
3, 2, 1, let's go. And push to the node. Push deeper, guy, deeper. And fire the DPS. Put them down. Don't let them play. Put them down. Don't let them play.
Double up.
Put them down. Cause see, you might. It's okay. Play with your party.
Usa.
Q melee first.
Tulog na naman ako.
Play with your party. Q melee Expo first.
Luna siya.
From number 7, try to get back from number 7.
Luna siya.
Play with your party. Good.
Tulak lang, Max.
Q.
Patay natin to lahat,
patay
patay natin to
Party,
lahat.
push them down and
Patay to lahat, patay to lahat.
Push them down.
Tulak lang na tulak.
Oo.
Ang ano lang dito pre, tulak lang na tulak. Mas maganda tulak kaysa sa pagpatay.
Push them down. Play with your party. Push them down. Play with your party. Good. Q DPS, and also Q DPS. Play with your party. Good.
Ilang patay natin sila dito,
Good. Q1 by 1. Q1 by 1 slowly. Q1 by 1. Make them stacker.
Yeah, tulak lang, tulak lang na tulak. Mas maganda tulak eh.
Good.
Patay sila sa tulak eh. Mali yung posisyon ko kanina sa ano.
Kill this tank, please.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Patay na. Abot mo sila dito sa ano? Sa 9?
Kill them.
Hindi ko sila abot. Wala pa ako dun sa raid sa ano.
Kill them. Go number 3. Kill them.
Kailangan
Play with
mag-backbench
your
bro.
party. Kill them one by one. Go.
Kailangan itong ano, itong mga sinayo plates.
Kill them one by one. Put them down and kill them one by one. Put them down, kill them one by one. Try to put them down. Okay, good. Don't come up.
Si Pinam.
But don't come up.
Create si Vinam.
Jump down. Don't come up. If you have no skill, you just jump down and yeah.
Focus sa heal.
That's it. Good.ถ้าเขาบินลงมานี่คือเขาจะไม่มีสตามิน่าถูกไหมครับถ้าบินลงมาตรงเนี่ย
Only both of them.
Okay.
Only both of them. Dead.
this plan
Max range ano and max yung hook. Yung may range, yung second task
for
force
the
spec.
last fight I
Oh,
try to
okay.
fat wave a bit
Yung may
closer
hila
and
palikod.
don't
Yun.
stand on the edge of the
Okay.
I mean on the edge of the platform because you gonna being pushed down and pull down yeah just be careful
Talo sila sa engage eh. Talo sila sa ganito eh. Di ko alam eh. Di ba dati pa hirap tayo sa crap pero ngayon parang pakunat-kunat naman. Meron na tayo. Pangit ang ano ko doon. Ang entrance
yeah
ko doon.
tank
Akala
you
ko.
can just wait on number 3
Yun, may range.
Focus lang.
down
Salamat. Eto,
Diyan lang kayo, diyan lang kayo.
Okay na ako dito. Ay, abot
Alam mo
na.
dapat nilang gawin. Dapat tumalon sila dyan sa 9. Kasi
Yun
pag
nga
dyan
eh.
sila sa 9, mahirapan sila. May mga range dito.
Great red Craig.
So pupunta sila dito sa...
Okay.
they
mga
coming
iba.
they move you see right they coming
Nakikita mo sa Mark 1, sa Mark 2. Tulak lang ng tulak.
Oy, Liku P again. Fall back a bit. Good.
May mabailag, may mabailag.
Good. Tank, good enough.
Meron dito sa amin isa.
Gago sakit nun.
Party.
Isa dyan, patayin nyo na, patayin nyo. Tulong mo dyan sa taas, sinis mo. Yan. Good kill, good kill, good kill.
Spread armor, number 6 spread armor.
Not playing the rails.
Spread armor. They're flying in. You see, they're flying in on the same show, on the same point, on the north. You've had bomb in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Kulak.
Prevent.
Okay na. Clear na yung pin na yun.
Okay lang.
And who check.
Diyan lang kayo spray na.
Get them first. A bit deeper.
Siguro. Ila ko.
Deeper. Get number 4 first. Get number 4, get number 5 first. Add the note first.
Hila.
Put them down.
Pag cooldown ng ang push, saka pull. Kailangan ito siguro.
And play with your party.
Si Master.
Play with your party.
Si Master, tsaka si Pur. Ito.
Leave the tank, fight the DPS first. Leave the tank, fight the DPS first.
Kailangan ito si Master.
And you must know where to get back, okay? Number 7 is easy. The easiest one.
Manood. Good. Prate si Master sa number 3. Mapuntahan mo si
It's
Master.
okay. I need some guardian to
Rambutong.
click the note.
Good yan. Yan. Hila. Focus lang sa hila, Nmax.
Play with your party, guys.
Kailan tsaka push.
Play with your party.
Panalo tayo dito.
Kill the field first. Good. You can just use big skill on the node. Clear the node.
Hila lang.
Good. Only tank come on the node. Only tank. Yeah.
Gosh, you missed most of them, Garmy.
And also that fucking high cow, Noli. I trust you, Noli. Fuck.
Wala na naman akong kill sa tsaka assist.
Kenjin, can you pull them?
You?
Fuck.
That's the...
This monkey, kill this monkey.
I do first.
Kill this monkey. Go. You can go from number 9, I think. You see, right? Number 9, you can go. I don't know, you can go or not.
That's illegal, sir. No, it's illegal, sir.
Yeah. It's okay. For the first fight, at least you use the big skill to bomb the club. That is what we are going to do. If you see a lot of tank on the node, you can move a bit to the number 5.
Max range.
Move a bit more
Max
to the
range ka lang,
number 5,
ano,
right? And bomb
Secure lang.
them A1. Yeah.
Wala ba si dito? Wala si X dito? Pinoy ba yan?
Mossieจะเปิดเกตหรือให้ผมเปิด
Pizza.
ถ้าจะมาถึงก่อนเปิดก่อนก็ได้ครับ
Pizza so cheap.
ไอ้ข้างๆที่เป็นเซฟมันเปิดได้ปะข้างบน
Yeah, just go.
ข้างบนที่มันยืนเราเปิดได้
It's Miss Diana. All of us Miss Diana. Is that it?
Prepare.
Oh.
Yeah, they can fly us from
กระ
above.
เก่าดึงสวยนะ แต่คือเขาแตกเลย
Tapos shoot.
Mayroong naka-position dito sa likod namin.
Try to stay alive.
Ito sa left side
Let's say
natin.
shoot.
Okay, they group up, they flying in. You see? They flying in. Wait.
Sa baba. Sige lang. Diyan lang kayo sa taas.
Oh, Misa, you
Yan,
got
patayin yan. Sige.
Stay alive. Wait. Wait.
7 minutes still.
Wait lang sa baba.
Number 9, you can kill
panalo
them. Number 9.
Panalo tayo dito.
Prepare.
Marami sila sa number 9
Try to sustain.
Sige lang. Tulungan mo sa... Tulungan mo sa night.
And push to the node. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Push to the node. Bomb to the node.
Sa night tayo. Focus tayo sa night.
Tank, pull them
Kailangan
down first.
ma-clear mo na sa
Tank, pull them down. Tank. I need tank, pull them down. Don't come up. Pull them down. Don't come up. Good. And clear them one by one. Clear them first. One by one. Guys, don't come up at number 6. You can use high ground. if
Sige
possible.
lang.
Don't come up. And try to push them down.
Hirap ako sa night.
Yaman,
Sige lang. Kailangan natin makuha 9. Dapat naka...
Try to play
Summon
with
gate
your
na.
party. Try to play with your party.
Summon gate na.
Try to play with your party.
Yan, good.
ได้
Ganun, di ba? Kailangan nila, kukunin nilang
Try to play
9
with your
para
party.
ma-clear nila
Try
doon.
to play with your party.
Pasok tayong 9. Ano rin mo to?
Sige.
Kailangan natin
Try to play
ma-clear
with
doon.
your party. Try to play with your party.
Di pa nag...
sa summon gate.
Wala pa.
Try to play with your
Summon
party
gate kasi
na. Try to play
mag-6
with
eh.
your party.
Kumusta dyan? Ilan pa sila?
Try to play with your party.
Marami
Try to
pa.
play with your party.
Sa
Guys,
left.
we had bomb on the node
sa
again.
node?
Try to play with bomb on the
Oo.
node again. in
Huwag
5,
ka
4,
Yan.
3,
Focus sa
2,
node.
1, on the node, 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 on the node,
Git, git,
on the
git,
node, on the
git,
node, on the 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 node.
It's facts, boys.
I need
Panalo tayo dito. Panalo tayo dito.
capping also.
FAX.
Oo.
Marami pa rin
Guardian,
sa 9 ah.
Oo,
Keep
9-9
coming, keep
kailangan.
coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. ไหวครับ keep coming, keep coming. Play with your party, keep coming and play with your party. Play with your party, keep coming and play with your party. Kill the DPS first, kill the melee first, kill the melee first.
มอสซี่ถ้าเปิดเกิดเปิดพร้อมแล้วก็เปิดได้นะ ผมไม่รู้ตรงไหนตอนไหน
Guys, try to play with your party. And same big skill, save you big skill, save you big skill, save you big skill, save you big skill. Okay, save you big skill. Prepare to bomb on the number 5. Prepare to bomb on number 5 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go bomb on number 5. Bomb number 5, number 5. Try to get back, try to get back, try to get back. Bomb
Sige lang, sige lang, sige lang.
number 5.
Ayan na.
Kill number 5 first, kill number 5 first. Kill number 5, kill number 5. And play with your party, play with your party, play with your party, play with your party.
Mark 9 pa rin, Mark 9 pa rin.
Play with your party, tank. After you pull them or push them, you just protect our party, okay? You try to clear the
เกต
DPS.
หรือเปล่าทำไมมันดูเติมไวจังวะ
I don't know ว่ามันเกตหรือเปล่า ไม่เป็นไรไม่เป็นไรครับ
Ano, summon gate natin bro. Tagal.
ขอ
ako
เกิด
nga pala
เลย
lang
ได้
ng
ไหม
number
ตอน
9
เนี้ย
no, di ba?
เปิดไปแล้วครับเปิดไป
เกิด
แล้ว
เลยได้ไหมครับ โอเคครับ try to come back try to come back fast try to come back fast
มันเกตอยู่ด้านบนครับ
โอเคครับ it's okay กาย it's okay เดี๋ยวพอเหลือ1 นาทีแล้วเกตให้หน่อยได้ไหมครับ
เปิดได้นะก็เปิด
ผมโดนล็อก
เปิดเลยปะเกตอะเปิดได้เลยปะ
เปิดได้นะ เปิดทีหลังมันอ่ะเราได้เปรียบ
เปิดแล้ว
หลังมัน
มันเปิดแล้วนี่มันเปิดแล้วเปิดเลยครับ
Wala pang ano, so...
ได้
Ang summon gate kasi sabi ni Hugo palagi, sabi.
นะ try to stay alive stay alive we will wipe in one fight we will wipe in one fight wait on number 6 wait on number 6 try to stay alive wait on number 6 okay try to stay alive and wait on number 6
อย่ามาเปิดหน่อยผมโดนล็อกยาว
Yun yung sinasabi ni Hugo, dapat summon gate sa 6-minute
เกต
mark.
ไวกว่านี้ครับไวกว่านี้เกตฮัลโหล
Sige lang, pasok lang ng pasok.
Oo.
ผมได้ตรงนี้นะ
เร็วครับเร็วเปิดเลยเปิด
ได้เลย
Ayun na, summon gate na.
ไวกว่านี้
Pinapano nila ng time
กู
eh,
บ้าเป็น
para
นัมเบอร์เอก
mag-get.
กูบ้าเป็นนัมเบอร์เอกกูบ้าเป็นนัมเบอร์เอกวีก็อินทูฟาดกูนะกูบ้าเป็นนัมเบอร์เอก we are going to push นะ in 5 4 3 2 1 push on number 5 fast little fast push on number 5 fast
Yan to sunod. Highlight ko sunod.
and cap them use CC resistance and cap use CC resistance cap good and clear them fast and come back good
Ito mga map dito sa ano, sa Fern eh.
good play with your party and keep coming back
Pero sa
keep coming
gitna.
back good
Sige lang. Mawawalan sila ng patay lang na patay kasi ano na tayo, zombie na tayo.
try to play with your party
Pahila to si ano. Pahila sa 9. Pasok ka pa rin ng pasok sa 9 ano. From butong.
I'm dead try to play with your party
Sa 9 ka lang pumasok. Try mo rin pumasok NMAX sa ano sa 9.
and again
sige.
Tulak.
save your big skill save your big skill
Tulak ko yung mga yan.
save your big skill na prepare to bomb on
Patalo
me
tayo,
na
patalo tayo.
we are going to push in 5 4 3 2 1 push to number 5 tank push them to the number 5
Pahil ako,
push
Azus.
them
Dito
Push them.
Azus.
push them
Wala.
guys I need more push
Wala pa, di pa siya naka-join sa PTV
more
eh.
push okay long one push
Sabi niya.
it's okay
Ilay natin doon sa mga nataas. Si Core, nakita mo si Core.
up
Ilay ko si Core.
Inuhook to, pre. Inuhook.
เกตมันน่าจะหมดแล้วนะ
Kailangan kasi.
ได้ความแม่งแบบแอนกูอัพวีนี้ทุกอัพ
Wala nang
We need to
tao
up, we
sa
need to
9 ah.
up.
Wala nang
On
kalaban sa 9.
Wala nakalaban sila. Sige, stay sa 9,
Wala
stay sa
na,
9.
wala na.
Hila lang, hila.
Wait.
Pababa.
wait it's okay waitพี่แพ้นะwe are to push in 5 4 3 2 1
Tulak lang.
push
Tulak lang.
Tulak ko na, natulak ko na.
good fast
Ito sa-
good deep good them
Hila lang. Makita ka na nasa high ground. Hila lang, hila.
good fast good deep and good them push fast, push deep and pull them.
Sige, sige, sige.
Push. Pull.
Get
And
your magic.
clear them.
Oh, hila lang ng hila dun sa taas.
Trust me.
Ah,
This
wala tayo, wala.
new artifact skill so OP CC list stand.
You're such a bully. Big back bully. Big
Ang hapdi ko sa Magic. Okay lang, panalo tayo. 17 minutes.
It's okay.
Talo tayo.
Somehow we come back.
Big back bully. Big back bully.
Okay, dyan. Dapat talaga ganun talaga ang atras. Dapat mark 9 lang depensa natin. Lumipad sila dun.
Meron dito sa amin sa likod ng kapatid lang.
Sige lang. Hindi na sila makakapi. Wala naman sila ng wala na silang gate eh.
They try to zombie I think. Just kill one by one. Kill one by one. It's GG.
GG.
Yeah, you should. Anyways, I also heard her say that Dracula.
TT.
GG's.
You guys pay so good.
Ano
You
na lang
guys pay
ako ng
so good.
attendance. CFK lang ako saglit.
We have
Okay.
Inter I think. Inter server. Fuck. Yeah, bye. Try to recruit, please. Try to recruit them. Everyone try to recruit them. Recruit them.
Wala, you're such a
We
stalker
need healer.
lagi. You're so
need help.
mean.
Yeah. The Mark 9, I don't know the situation
Oh
of
my
time
god.
because
Oh my god.
I signed
Oh, did you
only
check that
elite
anyways?
party.
Kasi di mo
right?
gawa
Yeah.
Palitin ko. I need one so. I need more. I need some feet. I need some feet for entertainment.
Tinder neutral.
I need some feet for
Thank you,
entertainment,
Song Jinwoo. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kakao, MVP.
GG's DY.
Not gonna lie, na. หมายถึง he
Ganun
kept
talaga.
1 second left before we got capped. Yeah. That skill so OP, I use it too. That skill so OP. Tank. It's your job to use this skill.
right now.
It's your job to have this.
Or
For 5
hair.
seconds, all resistance increased by what?
CC
250.
resistance.
One is laying on the bed.